Features productivity bulk processing video SEO promotion data and research skill for Alexa FAQ community forums podcast, TubeBuddy Express podcast, Women of YouTube Discord server pricing company about us blog contact partners service providers affiliate program. Sign in install free on Chrome install free on Firefox stop wasting time on channel management vertical bar optimizing videos vertical bar creating thumbnails vertical bar managing comments vertical bar adding end screens vertical bar video syndication vertical bar adding info cards vertical bar researching stats vertical bar channel backups vertical bar updating info cards vertical bar subscriber outreach vertical bar keyword research. TubeBuddy is a free browser extension that integrates directly into YouTube to help you run your channel with ease. Checking for TubeBuddy extension. Install free on Chrome, install free on Firefox. You have successfully installed the TubeBuddy extension. Head over to youtube.com to see it in action or sign in to manage your profile and access our advanced web tools. Sorry, TubeBuddy is only available on Chrome and Firefox. Please come back to this page in one of those browsers to install TubeBuddy. Install TubeBuddy next time you're on your laptop/desktop. Click the button below. Send a reminder after you send a reminder. Check out our TubeBuddy mobile app if you're on iPhone. Trusted by more than 0+ amazing YouTubers. TubeBuddy's bulk processing tools have literally saved us hundreds of hours managing the Family Feud YouTube channel. Ed Delage 350+ million views. I'm so glad I discovered TubeBuddy. It's super helpful. Love you guys. Matthew Santoro 5.4+ million subscribers. TubeBuddy has completely transformed the way I manage my personal YouTube channel and my clients' channels. Dara Leaves #1 YouTube certified expert work within YouTube to optimize and grow your channel. Other products require you to leave YouTube in order to access their functionality. Not TubeBuddy. Our toolkit's features load right within YouTube's website, in line with your daily workflow. For creators, streamline your daily workflow on YouTube, allowing more time to make great content. For brands, reduce busy work and focus on what matters, growing your business on YouTube. For agencies, managing your clients' channels has never been faster or easier with TubeBuddy. For networks, give your partners the tools for success while becoming more attractive in recruitment. Ready to take your channel to the next level?